Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or artist: the best 2-inch stencil letters available on the market. Whether you're crafting signs, decorating cards, or working on a special project, these stencils promise precision and ease of use. This set includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive 26 letter stencils from A to Z and 10 number stencils, all designed in a clear Arial font. Each stencil is crafted from durable material, ensuring repeated use without compromising quality. What sets these stencils apart is their versatility. The 2-inch size strikes a perfect balance. It's large enough to make a statement on your projects while remaining compact and easy to handle. Whether you're marking boxes for shipping or adding flair to a handmade gift, these stencils deliver crisp, professional-looking results every time. Let's talk about practicality. The stencils are lightweight and portable, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Take them with you to workshops, use them in your home studio, or pack them for crafting on the go. They're also washable, so cleanup is a breeze after a creative session. Now, let's discuss durability. Made from high-quality materials, these stencils are built to last. The edges are smooth and well-defined, ensuring that each application produces sharp, consistent lines. Whether you're applying paint, ink, or chalk, these stencils maintain their shape, providing you with reliable performance project after project. Organization is key when it comes to crafting tools. The stencils come neatly packed and organized, allowing for easy storage and quick access whenever inspiration strikes. This thoughtful design ensures that your workspace stays clutter-free and your tools remain in pristine condition. To wrap things up, these 2-inch stencil letters and numbers are a must-have for anyone looking to add a professional touch to their creative endeavors. With their precision, durability, and user-friendly design, they're sure to become an essential part of your crafting toolkit. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And as always, stay tuned for more unbiased reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Until next time, happy crafting!